How an open pit mine actually works. Step-by-step explanation. Most people think mining is just digging a hole. In reality, an open pit mine is one of the most complex industrial systems in the world. Introduction. In this video, I'll explain how an open pit mine actually works, step by step, from the ground beneath your feet to the final product. Whether you're a student, an engineer, or just curious how mining really works, this will make everything clear. Why it matters. Mining supplies the materials used in construction, energy, agriculture, and technology. Poor mine design leads to accidents, high costs, and failed projects, especially in developing regions. Understanding the system is critical for safety, efficiency, and profitability. Step 1. Exploration and geology. Everything starts with geology. Engineers and geologists use drilling, sampling, and geophysical surveys to determine whether minerals exist in economic quantities. This data is used to build a geological model, the foundation of all mine planning decisions. Step 2. Resource and reserve estimation. Not everything in the ground can be mined profitably. Engineers estimate resources first, then convert them into reserves by considering economics, safety, equipment, and regulations. This step determines whether a mine is viable or not. Step 3. PT design. Once reserves are confirmed, the open pit is designed. This includes bench height, slope angles, haul roads, safety berms. A poor design can cause slope failures, accidents, or massive financial losses. Step 4. Drilling and blasting holes are drilled into the rock and filled with explosives. Controlled blasting breaks the rock into manageable sizes for loading. This must be carefully designed to protect equipment, workers, and nearby communities. Step 5. Loading and hauling. Excavators and loaders move broken rock into haul trucks. Ore is sent to the processing plant, while waste rock goes to waste dumps. Haulage usually represents the largest operating cost in an open pit mine. Step 6. Processing. The processing plant separates valuable minerals from waste material using crushing, grinding, and separation techniques. The goal is to maximize recovery while minimizing energy and water use. Step 7. Waste and tailings management. Waste rock and tailings must be stored safely. Poor management can lead to environmental disasters and mine shutdowns. This is a major challenge in many mining regions. Real-world context, your edge. In many developing regions, challenges like power reliability, road access, and skills shortages affect mine performance. Designing for real conditions, not textbook assumptions, is critical. Conclusion plus CT. A. An open pit mine is not just a hole. It's a complex industrial system driven by engineering, data, and decision-making. If you want mining, agriculture, and oil and gas explained simply from real field experience, subscribe to Industrial Systems Explained.